Right now, they're on the ends are going easy now. See, no man doesn't care. Right now, we want some weed, brethren. See, we want some weed to smoke. See, I don't know, mention TV role, we have to have weed on the ends, see? Because you know, we're on the Island Chalice, but when you see mention TV, yo, oh, food, I'm a stress out weed, you know. Sweet green, you know, we love weed. You see, we're our best friend, you see?
Lord, man.
I know what mention TV for now, but no weed, you know.
Big Lord, that's what I say. Introduce me now.
Mention boss, what go on? Book out, man, hot. You don't play a book out.
Oh, it's 2017.
2017? Oh, the best shit we go up on. The Sky will live 2017. Not joking tonight. The Sky will live 2017. You think of chatting? Don't come too close to it because you're a scammer. You have to stay far. Can you know the thing going on?
You know what, right now, I think about bigger than Boom Boom. You feel so?
Boom Boom, I go to you, I'm not going to go there so. When you send them to America, I'm going to use visa I use. Anytime I go to America, I'm poor for it. Mention TV. Yeah, man. We're from it and 10 years up. So just come right now, be a booking. The thing is normal. Real Wild West. But I mean, Real West on Instagram. You goddamn girl a spice, man. You can't get a better than that.
Same way.
You see on the whole place, man.
Don't go with tournament around and
you know what big on me? That team me for I'm not going to hear that. Big on me. Big up my friend, my friend. Big up, I'll get him, my friend. Big on me. When I talk about West now, real West.
Yeah.
Powerful, real wide.
Yeah.
When I see when I say World Trafford, El Chapo, down there. Yeah, man. I mention TV.
Really good.
One tournament. Some boy, hey, watch out. Some boy promote this, but this a TV and this a TV. I mention TV.
You don't watch my TV now, though.
If you don't watch mention TV, you go low.
Yeah.
You move like Louis Berry.
Like for 2018. Act like fire.
2018, some powerful show come up.
West.
For Europe tour, we go on. You see? I talk about Germany, Belgium, France, Norway, Switzerland.
Yeah.
Them places, my favorite place are Europe, Hamburg. You don't put them places. Them places, you know, them kiss up every man in your night. Mention TV. What I'm saying, man? It's not joking the night. What do you mean? Because the whole of the youth, they must have mention TV.
Yeah.
You see? If you not say mention TV, you're in a handcuff. You're in a way up, you're in a stay up. I'm out. Watch this, where this jump.
Where this patch up? I don't
Where
know.
that TV with the one.